Healing chicken soup. Welcome, let's cook. Cut chicken and place in a large pot. Add chopped onions to the pot. Add fresh thyme for extra flavor. Garlic for rich aroma and natural immunity. Ginger for a warm, fragrant touch. Add chili for some heat. 1 organic chicken stock for richness. Add some salt to taste. Pour in enough water to cover the chicken. Cover and simmer over medium heat for 40 minutes. Chicken simmering, infusing all the aromatic flavors. Add fresh rosemary for a fragrant touch. Shiitake mushrooms for a rich, earthy flavor. Colorful carrots for color and sweetness. Add celery for a fresh, crisp flavor. Aromatic flavors blended. Finish with fresh parsley for a burst of flavor. Chicken Supreme.